Hey guys, welcome to this video. Basically, today is another hiking day, solo hiking day. So, yeah, we're gonna go hike, and let me show you what I'm wearing. Hopefully you'll be able to see by the window. This is just like a light North Face, don't know what to call it, like sweatshirt thing. I've got my hiking overalls on, which it kind of looks a little bit funky. Like it looks like, I don't know, like weird, but I'll probably get hot, but I'm probably gonna start cold, which is why I'm wearing this. And then just my darn tough socks. And I'm probably gonna wear my Hokas, unless... I don't think it's gonna be too muddy. It hasn't really rained. It hasn't really rained in the past couple of days, so I think I'll be fine. But yeah, I've got my hiking backpack. Nothing much in there. I have a film camera. I'm mostly bringing this because I don't want to have to carry my jacket when I take it off. But it's also just nice because I can put a couple snacks and whatever in there. So I guess I'll see you when we get there. Okay guys, just made it to the state park. So yeah, here I am. I did decide to put on my hiking boots just in case it was kind of like wet or muddy. Yeah, I'm gonna carry my camera with me. Another goal I have for this particular hike is to capture more like detail on my camera, like photography wise. I want to just try to see if I can get any little bugs or like small animals or anything. So yeah, let's go. I always forget that I want to like show what hike I'm doing, so let me just pull it up on here. So this is what I'm doing. Yeah, 4.2 miles, but I love looking at the pictures on here. I was scrolling on here for like a long time just looking at upstate New York hikes. So yeah, let's go. I forgot how much I love these overalls. Wow, sorry guys, it's so dark. I forgot how much I love these overalls because there's so many pockets in them. Also, I'm like not even a mile in and I'm just having a great time right now. I feel like I'm that little bridge canopy type of thing. I put my hair up and it took me a hot minute, and this is as good as it's going to get. It's like everywhere I turn, there's another waterfall. This is like kind of wild. It's so beautiful here. I'm having an absolutely amazing time. Okay, I'm gonna kind of walk and talk today because I've actually been going so slowly on this trail. I'm not even halfway done and I'm like an hour and 45 in. But oh, let's go over to this little corner. It's just so peaceful. Like, if you are not into hiking, I highly recommend just like walk a little bit in the forest or something, like 10-20 minutes, and I think you will just feel more peace. At least that's how it works for me. But oh, there's an old couple sitting over there. Like, first of all, the colors, the green color on this hike is actually crazy. Just so nice. Also, I took some really cool waterfall photos, I think, so I'll try to insert a couple of these in here. But yeah, I don't know, just it's so nice being out here by myself. It's not contributing to my struggles with how much never mind, I can't word this right now. I just need to enjoy being in here because it's just so beautiful. Okay guys, I am back from the hike. As you can see, it was pretty good. It was not too crowded. There were a lot of waterfalls, and it was pretty. I had a good time. My back is starting to hurt a little bit, but that just happens whenever I'm on my feet for like more than a couple hours. But yeah, I had a good time, and I hope you enjoyed watching this little video. So yeah, see you